Amakan naga manu kote jase, kote land kurubla ase. Ito amakan tate focus kurub lagi ho. First thing, we lost God. Ishwar ke second bench te ali disho. So the first and foremost thing is we should come back to God, put God first in everything we do. I'm a sinner. I'm the worst sinner. I'm the worst betrayer. I'm a politician who doesn't keep his word. I'm a politician who goes shifts his ideology here and there, looking for greener pastures. But still then, I thank Shisha Ho for calling me this hour to speak and give solitary message. In the first instance, I mean, hey, do American politician can get a dibi. No, American ahile, all Jamal Hoy Manukun Kushinapai. The Rakali American national worker can get Pratna Kurigina, Sukupani Ulana, repent Kurigina, Ekta Kuribo dibi Kushle. No, you stop Naga Manuker Nase. Politician can be a Hebelake. I can a solidarity message be Kobalake Cobra to chance laws day. Starting from me, American. So we have lost track of our goal. Matthew chapter 6 verse 33. Tate dikile amakan answer babude. The answer is, seek ye first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all shall be added unto you. Amakan Ishwar ke bisarle amakan laga. Independence kwa sovereignty pa to pai jabo to. Esa kwa nisna. Amakan Niki kwa nisna. Reverend Puni kwa nisna. Takan so kwa nisna. Takan so question. But now one thing I want to question them is, can they walk the talk? Muk para question. Tare khara kurbo na nai pare. Itu ami nijor ki bhi hudibo lage, takan nijor ki bhi hudibo lage. Thosa ase. If we put God first, our pride, our ego will vanish into thin air. Itu janibo lage to. We must realize, government of India is trying to break up the Nagas. Is trying to fragment the Nagas. Itia first amakan ke statehood dishe. Itu bichete poisa por koishe, subsidy dishe, grant in aid dishe, poisa free dishe. Itu bichete itia do faction kan kiman ulai ase. 10 jon hobi, 20 jon hobi recognize kuri na 24 faction ulai jaise. Itia Eastern Naga do alag entity dibule itia kushish kuri ase. Itu kan saikina amakan Naga manu kan suku mari na ulai. Hobo Naga manu khottom kori dibole ase. Ame kan ekta hobo lage eta to. Itu monti bukhibo lage ho. Kali porsun ame kan laga chief minister bishi dangor statement dishe. I appreciate him. Tai ki kotha koise? He is willing to give up his chair, vacate his chair, if Nagas can come together. That means if he is saying that, who are we? We will follow suit. We will pave the way for you. But now one thing we have to know is, from where did this Naga unity break up? Retrospect review. American first kali ekta faction ni thaki today NNC. Tate ekjon ke betray kori na tate para faction alag ulado. Duita, tinta, charta, pangsta ita bishi hushuto. That was one. Number 2, American laga forefathers kan. Ito bara moi assembly tiki koe. We have a story to tell to the world. A story of killings, a story of bloodshed, a story of rape and murder, a story of massacre in the hills of Nagas, where there was no media. This message never went to the world. our fight for sovereignty, our cries were never heard. Takhan laga life diya to biya na pabi. Framework agreement karne diya na de. Agreed position karne diya na de. Takhan laga life diya to sovereignty alone. And sovereignty is our Naga people's birthright. Ami kobole montu. If Nagas can come together and say, we surrender in the name of God, number one. Number two, from now on, there will be no more faction, no more demand whatsoever from government of India, but we will stick to plebiscite and sovereignty, then I think we will rise up again. As long as we ask for a solution, government of India will never ever respect us. They will look down at us. Yes, at one point of time, all of us, including me, I was the strongest voice for solution. Why? Why did we want solution? Kill a solution lage. Because at one point of time, bishi killing thakishido. Bishi demand thakishido. Extortion, multiple taxation, ransom, kidnapping. Ito kan over hoabara. Tino hole do. Ito kan khotom kurubo karne. Stop gap solution ekta. Settlement ekta ahile do. Ito faction kan khotom hobo neki. Ito para Naga manu. So